Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add clock widgets in your Windows in a very simple way. What you have to do, you just simply come over into your search option and going to search for store. And here you'll find the Microsoft Store over here. So click on that. After into the search bar, here you just need to search for Widgets Launcher. Click enter. And after that, you will get the widget launcher over here, this app over here. So you just simply click on get. As you can see, now it's installed. We're going to click on open and going to close the Microsoft Store. And as you can see, our widget launcher is open in your computer. And from here, you can simply choose lots of varieties, lots of widgets over here. So as you can see, there are three different options for the clock: digital clock, square clock, and wall clock. First, we're going to try digital clock. Also, there has a lots of customization options. You can simply customize them as you like. And then after the customization, you have to click on launch widget. Click on that. And as you can see, please wait. Your launch button will be available shortly. So keep patience. Click on launch widget, and now as you can see, your clock widgets is now showing in your computer. It's a very cool clock widget. So I will going to try another one called square clock. Click on launch widget, and now please wait. Your launch button will be available shortly. Click on launch widget, and as you can see, it's a second clock widgets over here. And now we will going to click on a world clock, launch widgets. And as you can see, now you can get the third clock widget in your computer. As you can see, you can simply choose any of your favorite one. Also, there are lots of customization widget option called current, convert, weather, and calendar calculator. Let me know into the comment section which one you like. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.